Welcome to Local Hotel. As you enter, you will be greeted by our friendly receptionists right here. They are fluent in English and they will be happy to help you for any issue regarding your stay, booking tour, and transportation. As you come over here, you can see we have a dining facilities, which is open from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. You can have breakfast, lunch, dinner, and also taste delicious Vietnamese coffee. Here's the pool area. We provide towels for all our guests. As you can see, that's a pretty decent size, so you can do small laps. And that's a really big plus for Danang because in the summer it's really hot. So having a pool is really a good advantage.
Welcome to our 2-bedroom apartment. Let's move to the first part of our apartment. We provide you a washing machine, a table, and 2 chairs for a couple that chill in the morning with a cup of coffee or take a sunbathe. Let's move to our kitchen. With full kitchen and dining utensil, it's enough for 4 people to cook. Move to the main part of our apartment. As you can see, this is the dining area, and also we have the sofa with a TV. You can watch the Netflix. We got like the natural light from the living room and also in the bedroom that go to our spacious room. We have another huge balcony right here, and the first toilet, and the main part. This is our master bed with a king size bed, and what we call it master because we have a bathtub.